What I learned at 35 but needed at 25. Hi friends. When RBI changes rates, it's not just news. It can make a real difference to your money. Here's how. Today, the RBI just cut the repo rate by 50 basis points, 0.5%, bringing it to 5.5%. Translation? Loans, like your home, car, or even personal loans, are set to get cheaper. Your EMIs might finally chill out. They also lowered the CRR, cash reserve ratio, which means banks have more cash to lend. More money flowing means businesses can borrow, invest, and maybe hire more people. Stock markets could get a boost too. More money, more action. But here's the catch. Returns on fixed deposits might drop, so don't snooze on reviewing your savings. So traders and investors, stay alert. Bottom line, cheaper loans, more business, but maybe a bit less on your FDs. That's the RBI's way of giving the economy a boost.